using a very old and first century kind of tablet robe. John is his name. Alam ko na makagandang buwan. John means God is gracious. Napaka-holy ng Diyos. At napakaganda ay pinangalan mo kay Juan. Why? Because God has shown favor to Elizabeth and Zachariah. If we will read, especially commentaries on this particular gospel, we will realize why the entire neighborhood must be holy saved. And why we consider that God has fully removed his husband and wife who in their old age or a son. Kung babae po ang pinanganak, ang hindi pinagkakapahal